Sanjay felt happy when his video got many clicks, but that happiness didn't last long. When he checked later, most people left the video very fast. He did not understand why. This happens to many creators. People click because the title and thumbnail look interesting, but they leave when the video does not give what was promised. This is called a broken promise. Viewers come with one idea in their mind, and if the video starts talking about something else, they go away. Another reason is slow starts. Long greetings, long stories, or waiting too much to get to the point make people lose interest. To fix this, say the main idea early. Show the viewer that you understand their problem. Tell them what they will learn if they stay. Keep your video moving. Cut boring parts. When people stay longer, YouTube learns that your video is good and starts recommending it more. When your promise and your video match, clicks turns into watch time and watch time turns into growth.